Hey, benvenuti, welcome to Italian Cook with Antonio. Today I'm going to do a recipe, a simple recipe and delicious, which is penne with the broccoli, sausage and peperoncino. Okay, let's start with ingredients. I got 2 links of fresh sausage, and head of broccoli, peperoncino, about 3 cloves of garlic, some roast almond, touch of salt, olive oil, and I got the penne. Okay, so let's start it now with the broccoli. Broccoli, we're gonna cut it. You can use frozen broccoli also, I prefer fresh. Okay, now we're done with the broccoli. We're going to start to cut the sausage. Okay, now we're done with the sausage. Now we're going to start with peperoncino. We just cut it and I get ready to open. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open and leave them like that. And I'm going to add this. Then I got 3 cloves of garlic. One of those, I'm going to smash it to come all the flavor out. And one I'm going to chop it. We got that. We're almost done. Now we take the broccoli and we go and put in a boiler water, which I already put the water. I'm gonna boil those about 5 minutes. Those broccoli. I had the water already boiling. Okay. And we can go 5 minutes. You want to overcook. And meantime, we're gonna put the water for the pasta to boil. We can start with prepare the sauce. Saute sausage and broccoli. We're gonna add some abundant little olive oil. So we're gonna add a little salt to the broccoli. Not much, because I'm gonna put in the sauce also. And the oil starts to be hot. I add the garlic first. We'll let it brown a little bit. And I'm going to add the peperoncino, which is, let it cook whatever you prefer. You can take them out. I leave them in to let it make it a little more spicy. And then I'm going to add the sausage. We go to frying. Nice brown. Since the broccoli are ready, we're going to strain. I'm going to strain the broccoli first. We're going to put a little water. We got this one. Stir a little bit. We mixed it. Well, I'll find the thing. Be more than enough. We'll get together. We'll scoop it up and strain. can serve it. Okay, we're ready to put in the plates. Okay, we're almost ready. We need a last touch with add some roasted almond. They give it a little crunchy taste. There you are. And the dish is ready. And we're gonna accompany it with a nice blend of Cabernet. Cheers, salute. I'm gonna introduce you to my pasta connoisseur, capolavoro.
I know everyone's jealous of my part in this video. I can taste the garlic. It has a little kick of the spice of the pepperoncino. And I can taste I like the crunchiness of the roasted almonds. Good job.
Correct.
Very good.
Cheers.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.